Oh my god. Oh my god.
Did it or no?
Yeah, I did it.
Easy?
Yeah, no, smooth. Oh, he's a bit like this, but now I know what it's like, it's no problem.
You want to do tabletop or you?
I'll try, but maybe not this lap, maybe a few more.
We'll do the other jump one more time.
Okay.
You gotta go out where I went.
Yeah.
And then draw a straight line and just hold the throttle off.
I want to case it one more.
Where did you jump to?
Probably 2 bike lengths away from
Yeah,
the...
so just go for it. Don't think. Do the outside line because you went to the inside. No, you didn't follow my line. Go to the outside, sit down, and just accelerate to the power, and then just hold it all the way up the face.
I'll see.
No, don't see. Just do it. Trust me.
I'm too hesitant.
You're not. You did this one okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one, you just hold the gas and just straight.
I'll do one more.
No, do it this time.
I'll try.
This time. Just in your head, say this time.
Yes! I fucking did it! Oh. Yeah, for sure, one more. Oh, honestly, I have not hit that in years. That was a little bit sketch on the landing.
Hey, good going, man.
I'm pumped I did it.
Yeah.
Was it this when I gave that? Was that the?
I like to go a bit slower and brap it up,
Yeah.
even with that one. But it helped. Honestly, legit wouldn't have done it if I didn't have the follow. So it was a good toe, that's for sure.
Shaking a little bit. You sure you're
I
okay?
need some MVP media, VIP media shots. Let me go get refreshment. Now I need to teach me how to whip, Ben.
Okay.
Okay. I can be your student for the next video.